What's up, guys? This is Pastor Kana again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about list. What is a list? I got a little concept right here of a list. A list is a class that contains multiple objects of the same data type that can be accessed using an index. For example, we're going to take a look at that. So we're going to create um, this example right here. Let's just see. This is the syntax. We're going to say list, and then in here we're going to have the name of this variable, which is going to be a number, lowercase number, equals to new list, and we're going to be using the same type over here. Okay, so like in this case we're going to be using the number as a list containing integers values, so which is going to the int, sorry for that, int, and then we do that. We go back right here, we just do int again, and then right here we do curly brackets, and then we're going to do right here one. We're going to pass some integer elements right here, 2, 3, and 4. So that's what we have. And then hold on one second. I got a little kitty just screaming. I don't know why the kitty is screaming over here. Hey kitty, what's up? What's up? Oh no, watch out. Uh, so I got some issues with my cat. So come on, kitty. I'm just trying to fix that kitty. Get right here. Okay, he's trying just to jump on the window, so he stepped on the computer. But anyway, so right here we got a list. It's an integer. So then we got the variable, which is going to be number equals to new list, and then we're passing those elements right here. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now to access that, we're going to do a for each for loop, and then yeah, let's just do that. Okay, cool. That helped me out a lot. So we're going to use the count. So in here, we're going to say the following: console, right? Like, hey, what do you? Hey, stay there. Sorry. Then we have right here. So this should give us what we need. So let's just add a string over here. We're going to say the following. We're going to say this is the first. Okay, hey, wait. this are the these are the elements. The elements. Okay, let's run that, and then that should give us all the elements on that. Okay, yeah, these are the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. So yeah, we can just kind of do that. And maybe just accommodate that like that, just to make it nice. So now we should be, yeah, okay. These are the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's what we created on that list. Now also we can, as you can tell right here, we use integers. We also can do a string. So let's just do console, and then right here let's just do boom boom boom. Let's just do backslash, next line, so that way we have some room over here to work on. So let's copy this just to save some time. This is just another example. Hey, watch out, kitty, watch out. Okay, come on, go. Sorry. Let's copy this, and then let's go over here, and then we're going to say string. Same thing over here. We're going to say string. And then we're going to say right here names. Name. And right here we're going to say the following names. Let's see. And we're going to say my name. Let's just start with that. Say Pastor. Let's copy here, and then we're going to change the names. We're going to say Pedro. And then right here we're going to say Alexandria. And then last one, we're going to say Johnny. Okay, Johnny. So in this we're going to do the same thing. So we want to copy this for loop right here, copy that. So we can run it over here. So we're going to change just name right here, and right here we should just say the same thing, name. And now these are the names, these are the elements, names. Okay, let's run that. That should give us the names. Cool. These are the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? And then we have these are the elements names: Pastor, Pedro, Alexander, and Johnny. Okay. So okay, we got it. So that's cool. Also, we can do the following. Going through some notes that I have. Okay. Also, we can add elements. So let's just do that. So let's copy here. And actually, let's copy all of this. Control C, just to save time. Control V, and then we're going to say right here countries. We're going to say a string. Let's get rid of this part right here, and let's keep that, and let's just put right here Peru. That's the one country in the world, Peru. And let's change that. Instead of having name, we're going to say countries. Okay, and then right here we're going to be adding. So we'll say countries. That we're going to do that method add, and right here we're going to say USA. Okay. Okay, it didn't come up, didn't pop up. Country. Bro, come on. So what else do we add? So let's add Germany. Germany. Let's just control D so we can add a few more countries right here. So we got Germany, we got Italy. So we got Ecuador. And then we got Colombia. Okay. So we got, can we add in those countries? So right here, let's get rid of that. And then we're going to say right here, countries. Okay. All right, so let's just run the program. And that should add all of those countries to our list. Yeah, we have that. Countries: Peru, USA, Germany, Italy, Ecuador, and Colombia. So what else can we do with list? So let's see. Let's just do one more example. Let's do. Okay, we can insert. Just do the insert method right here. So let's just do. Let's copy this. I already have that, right? Let's see. Okay. So let's just do programming right here. Programming. So let's just do Python. Let's just do Java. Let's just do right here HTML. Let's do right here C Sharp. Okay, now so let's just use the insert method programming. Let's just do programming that is do insert and right semicolon. So right here is expecting we're going to do so which one do we want to insert? So we want to insert, so we got indexes right here. This is 0 1, Python is 0, Java is 1, HTML is 2, and C Sharp is 3. So I want to change that. I want to insert and number 2 HTML 0 1 2. Let's just do position 2, index 2, and then we're going to change that. We're going to insert there with a different language. What is it? Oh, there's a lot of different language. Let's just say Ruby. Okay, so this one, so let's change over here, and that should give us what we need. Let's just say programming. And get rid of that, and then we just say right here programming. Okay, that should change. Instead of HTML, right, should give us Ruby. So let's see. Let's run it. And right here we have, okay, Peru. Okay, we got Python, Java, Ruby. Oh, yeah, wait. Insert. Did I mess up? So let's see. Number 2. Oh, number 2 is HTML. So 0. Oh, yeah, we are inserting. Okay. We're not removing, we're inserting. Okay, so number 2 we insert. Somehow I got a little bit confused, but we're inserting. So number 2, so number 2 is now, let's go back again, let's take a look. So Python is 0, Java is 2, Java is 1, Ruby is 2. That's where we insert Ruby. Okay, cool, that worked. Okay, now now we're going to remove. So let's see. Sorry, one second. I got another laptop that keeps just giving me issues. So now we are going to do the following. Okay. Let's do another one. So now let's just try to remove from our list. Okay, right here. So now we're going to say cars. And right here we're going to have Toyota. And then we're going to have Tesla. Then right here we're going to have Suzuki. And the last we're going to have Ferrari. So now we're going to remove one of this on this element list right here. So we're going to do cars that remove. And which one I want to remove? So let's see. I want to remove Suzuki. Okay. Now, and here we are going to do the following. So let's get rid of that, and then let's change that to cars. Same thing over here. Going to do cars. So instead of giving us Toyota, Tesla, Suzuki, Ferrari, it's going to give us only Toyota, Tesla, and Ferrari. So let's run that. Yeah, so is that what we said? So okay, right here. So Toyota, Tesla, and Ferrari because we remove Suzuki. Cool, that worked. So there is another way to remove it. So one element. So let's just do the last one. And this time we're going to use remove add. So let's just do right here. Let's change it to cars 2. Okay, let's copy here. Copy that and let's just redo that right here. Boom. Okay, cars 2. Let's just do that cars 2. Same thing over here. Let's get rid of that. Let's just do cars 2. So but here we're going to say cars 2. That we're going to use the remove add. So remove add index. So which index we're going to, and here we were just removing a string. No, you said right here. The whole we have to write down the string name that we want to remove, and here we're going to use actually the index number. So we want to remove number. Let's do 0. Let's just do 1. Let's just remove Tesla. Let's just do 1. Okay, let's just run the program, and that should give us what we need. Okay, Toyota, Suzuki, Ferrari. Okay, let's see. They will remove that. Okay, you have Toyota. We're removing 0, 1. Tesla is gone. Toyota, Tesla is gone. So we got Suzuki and Ferrari. So that worked. That worked. All right, guys. That was just a few examples how you can use list. Okay, so hopefully this program helped you out, or this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to keep on doing more tutorial videos, little projects here and there. But anyway, have a good night, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, have a good night and bye bye.